Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am gonna review a floor lamp by Govee. So Govee, it's one of my most favorite brands, and I am so very excited, guys, today to introduce you to this Lyra floor lamp. This one is so very stylish, aesthetic, and it's so very easy to connect it to the Govee application. My whole house is full of products by Govee, and I am definitely a huge fan. So I am a new mom. I am having a 2-month-old beautiful baby girl. I just delivered like about 2 months ago, and I'm so very excited about it. So this is my first kid, and this is my first Mother's Day ever. And my husband asked me, what do I want for the Mother's Days, of course. And obviously I said diamonds, but he was like, So if it's not a diamond, I want a practical gift that will serve me and will serve my baby girl. So my baby is a newborn and she's still sleeping with me, like, her bed is by my side of the bed, and she's waking up a lot through the night. So every time that she's waking up at the night, I need a light to, take care of her, to feed her, to change her, and so very on. But my husband is sleeping right aside of me, right? So I cannot actually turn on the full light in the room. And this is why I said I want it to be practical. I want it to be useful. And this is how I chose this floor lamp by Govee. Since I'm having this lamp, I just simply turn it on in the middle of the night, and I can fully control the light. I can make it very soft, very smooth light, so that will be enough for me to, feed her or to see some specific things. If I want it to be brighter, like I want to see if she needs to go big change or just a small change, you know what I'm saying, you know what I mean? I can, make it stronger, and I can fully control the lamp through the application. As well as this lamp by Govee comes with a remote control. So I personally think this is a perfect gift idea. This is a perfect for Mother's Day. If you know someone with a newborn, this lamp is a must-have. If you know someone with kids, this lamp is a must-have as well, because once Vera, she's gonna be a grown-up kid, she can play with the lamp. I can show her different scenarios, and she's definitely gonna be so very excited about this lamp, because I'm an adult and I am super excited about this floor lamp by Govee. So this lamp is a great, amazing gift to play with for your kids, as well as this is a gorgeous fashion and stylish decoration for your home. So very excited, guys, to unbox and to introduce you to this Govee floor lamp that's called RGBIC Lyra. This is a color changing lamp. It is a floor lamp, obviously, and it goes so very well on your corners. This one working with an Wi-Fi, and it comes with a remote control as well as with a smart application control too. Works on LED lights and having a 64 plus scenes, having a DIY modes where you can fully define your own scenes and the lights by defining per each LED single light, what color and what mode is it gonna work on. Also, it having a music sync, and it's just so very beautiful and works so very great. It will fit perfectly any type of a room, like your living room, bedroom, gaming room, your theater, or whatever, anything else. This is a futurist and modern design of a floor lamp, and I love that it is working on day cutting edge RGBICWW technology. This is a Govee technology, and it actually means that it is works on the Savor multicolor displays as customized from 16 million of a total colors. It can go warm or cool anywhere between 2200 key to 6500 key, and it can go completely white and completely warm, like yellow warm color. It works on 1500s of lumens of brightness, so you can fully control the brightness of this lamp as well. It is gonna upscale ambiance for hosting get-togethers, for watching movies, reading, relaxing, enjoying your valuable time with your family and friends home in any room that will work for you. I personally put this one into my bedroom, right at the corner where my newborn's bed is, just because I can use it at night in such an efficient way. I am truly a fan of the timeless minimalistic design of this floor lamp by Govee. This design is like a sophistication into any home decor. It will perfectly fit any type of a home decor, doesn't matter what type of a house you are having. I love the textured satin aluminum finish of this lamp, and I definitely love how compact this one is. It is easily fit to any corner between any type of furniture to make your house even prettier. You can select any one from the 64 plus scene mode modes. I am truly obsessed with the modes. By the way, guys, I'm gonna introduce you to the application soon in a few minutes, so stay tuned. This LED lights floor lamp works by voice control as well, so it works with Alexa or Google Assistant, whatever works better for you. I definitely love the remote control that it is coming with. It is just working so very well with the remote control as well. So if you aren't around your phone, you're just lazy to go take your phone, you just simply can use the remoter and just simply control, like fully control your lamp. And I love how the remote control can be attached, like magnetically attached to the lamp if you want to. If you don't want it to be there, you just can simply remove it from there and put it somewhere else. But this is how you won't ever like lose your remoter from your lamp. It's gonna be always around. So guys, now let me introduce you to the smart application and how everything works. Okay, you guys, so first of all, as you can see right now, it is on a music mode, which means that the lights goes as it is hearing my voice. Isn't it so very cool? I'm so very excited. So that's basically the music mode. You can fully control and do whatever you want with this lamp through the application. Obviously, you can turn it off or turn it on. You have even more with the music. So first of all, you can sync the music from your device. Like you can make it to listen it from your phone directly. Here it is listening from my phone. And here it is listening from the strip himself. Then you have the default modes, so you can choose any one of the scenes, and of course that you can edit each one of the scenes. You can make it auto color, you can control the sensitivity. Then you have the effect lab where you can choose it to go any type of a color from thousands and millions of options of colors. You can go by ingredients. Look on that broccoli. Isn't it so very cool? Like all the shades of broccoli, eggplant, and so ever. For you, my favorite is the raspberry. This color is the most favorite, honestly, because it is, to me, fully represents raspberry. This is so cool. Then you have the timer, which of course that you can define your timer to let it, automatically to be turned on or to turn off, whatever works for you. You can turn it on, define a new one, any day of the week. It can work for any time that you want. You can define a wake up time. For example, mine is 8 a.m. Then you have the sleeping option, which means that this is going to be turned off automatically after 15 minutes of being on. Thousands of options and thousands of variations and customizable things that you can do with this lamp. Then you can obviously control the brightness. You can make it brighter or you can make it less brighter, whatever percentage from 1 to 100 that works for you. Then you have the color mode, so you can choose to define each one of the strips on your light and to control the brightness, to control the color, and to just adjust it and to customize it by any way it works for you. Feel free to be as creative as you feel like. You have the advanced option for colors, so you can choose breathe, gradient, cycle, and you can control the speed. You can control freaking everything on this app. That's amazing. So look on that, guys. You can actually just choose per LED light. You can clear it all, you can add whatever color you want per single light. Now the scenes. So this is honestly something that I personally use the most. I love the scenes. You can now control the speed. You can choose the speed to go low or to go a little bit faster, a little bit even more faster, and then high. And of course that I am definitely a fan of these scenes. Guys, be so very sure to check Govee floor lamp out. I am a fan of this one. This is I think the most favorite Govee's product that I've ever had and reviewed here on my channel. Yes. This lamp is such a premium and stylish design. This one is so very attractive to all the females around. This is why I think this is a perfect mother's gift idea. Also, this works on the RGB lights and you can play with that in any way you see fit. This is the best lighting effects design among the all RGB products I know about. This lamp is having 64 plus ready to go scenes, and this is so very great by its dynamic effect. This lamp is definitely gonna make any space to be so very cool and beautiful. So guys, I really hope you are excited the same way that I do about this floor lamp by Govee. I personally think this is a must-have. So guys, I really hope this video was inspiring for you. I am so very excited about the coming Mother's Day. This is my first Mother's Day ever in my life, and I'm so very excited about it. I am so very happy to be a mother, and that's an amazing experience that I would highly recommend to anyone who isn't a mother yet. So yes. So guys, be so very sure to check this Lyra floor lamp by Govee out. All of the links are going to be down below in the description box, as well as a coupon code for the Mother's Day promotion, as well as any other information like discounts and any other sales. So be so very sure to check it all out. And that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.